So, I'm not sure, we still on the Essequibo River. I'm not sure exactly where on the Essequibo River, but I noticed the water is rougher. See? I don't know if you could see it. Oops. But the water, the ride is very rough now. Whoa. When we started off, the surface of the water was very smooth, and it gradually changes. But this particular area, I'm not sure if we're closer to Perica or what, but the water is very, 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 very rough. So you know the boat ride, wow. Look at the surface of the water. It's how rough it is, and the color is, it was less brown, now it's like a deeper brown. Like this section of the Essequibo River is more concentrated with mineral, I'm not sure, but I'm just observing the difference in the color. This is a darker brown. So I'm not quite sure what's going on, but oh, looks like we're getting closer to Perica. Seems like it. But on the other side, right through a sawmill, lots of logging and different things. It looks like here. Hear that? Perica. I see a lot of boats. I don't a lot of boats on the other side. So I'm not sure. Why? So, right. So, I don't think we have too much more to go. But I could tell you, the ride becomes rough water. But I'm not scared. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. Okay guys, bye. And the ride is fun. The ride is 1.5 hours from Bartica to Perica. It's 1.5 hour boat ride with the speedboat. With the big Malali, it's 4 hours ride. So this is better. I like the speedboat ride. Okay guys, bye.